Hi folks, Fred.Zent, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Salem Cruise Lite. It's a little pre-owned toy hauler. Come on in and I'll show you this nice little floor plan. Right here, when you come through here, you got a full pass-through. You got solar prep ready to plug in. Right there for portable solar units. You got an 18-foot power awning, and then over here you got two outside speakers. This model's about 27 foot. Come on in here. You got a queen size electric bunk that comes down, and then right here this is a jackknife bed that folds down really easy. And then you got two spots here to put your table. Then you got two swivel rockers and a nice little table as well here. Plenty of storage here. Nice little stationary table. More storage. Nice deep dual sink. Corian countertops. It's a one piece. Then you got two full extending drawers and a place for a wastebasket. Over here you got a microwave hood combo. It's a 3-burner cooktop and your oven. You got a 2-door, 8 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator freezer combo. And then right here you have a pantry for food, and so your entertainment center is right here. It's DVD, Blu-ray, Bluetooth capable. Got a couple USB ports as well. In the bathroom here you got a nice corner shower, medicine cabinet, sink, and storage underneath for the toilet. Come on into the bedroom. Got a walk around bed with wardrobe on both sides of your bed. Storage underneath to access your pass-through. Your ramp's easy, lightweight. Got a little cable satellite coax, your outside shower, then you got your fresh water and your city water connections. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2018 Forest River, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.